everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week on Travel Colorfully TV, we are going to be exploring Jersey. I'm here with Visit Jersey to show you how you can have an island break no matter what season or time of year it is. So right now we're just in like the harbor area, going to pick up our information packs with all the great tourist stuff, all the sights to see and everything, and then we will get this adventure started. I have a feeling that wind is going to be the theme of this video, so I hope you can hear it. So right now we are headed out to Elizabeth Castle, and we're walking on this little path. It's low tide right now, so we are able to walk along the causeway, which is over there. Visiting Jersey is all about a good little beach walk no matter what the season is, so this is ours. You can find Elizabeth Castle in Auburn Bay, and it's been defending Jersey for over 300 years. It is not open right now, but it will be reopening in 2020, so you'll be able to go inside then. We're not able to go inside today, but we're gonna walk right up to it. It looks so cool from this angle. So we've just had the most delicious lunch ever at Nude Food in St. Hilaire, and now we are about to go up to Mont. I'm gonna look at my phone to say this. We're going up to Mont Archirondel Castle. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it looks beautiful from where I'm standing right now. Give you a little glimpse. And yeah, we're gonna, I imagine you have to walk up lots of stairs. It's on a very tall mountain, as Mont would suggest. So we're now walking around Mount Archirondel. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but it is a 13th century castle slash fort that has had different bits of it added on throughout the centuries, all the way up till 1940s. So that's pretty interesting. We encountered a little bit of rain on our way up here, but now it is beautiful. We're just exploring. Castle's huge, so definitely like carve out an hour or so to explore it. And yeah, it's actually pretty spectacular. No. So this castle is the main landmark that you want to see when you come to visit Jersey. And that's because it is supposed to symbolize the allegiance to the English throne, because it was initially built to protect from the French, because France is so close. So when it was built, it signified that people who lived in Jersey the people who lived in Jersey were gonna be, I can't. So we have just arrived to our accommodation. We're staying in this tower behind me. How cool is that? So we have just arrived at our accommodation, and this is so cool. It's called the Archirondel Tower, and it is a converted artillery tower from the 17th century. And I'm in the living room right now, which is the third floor of the place. If you go up these stairs behind me, you end up on the roof, which I will show you later. We're gonna go down to the bedroom. These very narrow stairs, hope they don't fall. And this is the bedroom. And there's a little door behind me that you can go out to another level from. And now we're gonna head down to the ground floor. Ooh, more stairs. And we come to the kitchen. So now I'm in the kitchen. It's kind of cool in here. And then over here is the bathroom. So it's a little shower area. So cool. Good morning, everyone. So it is day 2 in Jersey, and we are about to go do a little oyster champagne tour. Really looking forward to it. Last night dinner was amazing. We ate at Feast and Gory Pier. had a delicious 3-course meal that I will give you a little rundown of. So I had liver pate to start, and then some baked cod, and then a chocolate salted caramel brownie, and it was fantastic. So we have walked out. The shore is all the way back there behind me, and we have walked out to these oyster beds, and there are so many of them. It's absolutely insane. It's been really cool to watch the tide come out over the oyster beds, and it's still going out. So the woman who's taking us on this tour has said that sometimes the tide goes out as far as 4.5 miles, which is insane. But if you had watched my Guernsey video, then you know that the Channel Islands have probably the biggest tide change like in the entire world. So it's pretty crazy to see. There are towers behind me that are built out here in the middle of nowhere. I mean, this is so cool.
How do you guys do it?
Well, I
Do
chew
you
it, I don't swallow.
You chew it?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not
Pictures of the
I'm not
turkey,
sure if
don't
I
worry.
do.
Hi everyone. So last night we had another delicious meal, followed by a wonderful spa treatment this morning and a lunch, and now we were on Plymouth Beach. And there's all these caves, and we're gonna go explore.